How to delete a Microsoft Teams account. First, if you are using your Microsoft account to open the Microsoft Teams application, you want to simply go to your Chrome browser over here to delete your Microsoft account. Here on your browser, you want to simply search for Microsoft and go to the official Microsoft website. After that, once you're logged in into your account, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on your profile over here and tap on View Account. And once you tap on View Account, you'd be able to see accounts information over here. You want to simply tap on the Account Info option over here. By doing so, you'd be able to see an option here called Close Account. You want to simply tap on Close Account. And by doing so, you'd be able to follow the prompt from here to close your account or delete account and remove your data from the Microsoft website. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.